Hello, here's a video on how to set your Quartz Quest with the eLeaf Pico. So we're first going to start by setting the TCR value, and you do that by turning the battery off. You can do that by pressing the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you want to hold this positive button here and this button, the main button, at the same time for 5 seconds, and you'll get this screen to pop up. And that screen will allow you to choose through different modes, M1, M2, M3, and you can do that with these bottom buttons toggling through. Now you have to do it quicker, the screen will turn off, so just put it in M1 mode and set it to 300 for the value. This value, I've had different values I've used over time, but this is one that I like. You might like a lower M1 setting or a little bit higher, but this is the one I like. So M1, and I use 300 for the value. And I allow the screen to go off. And now I press this button 5 times to turn it back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the device is back on. Now you're gonna set the wattage. So here we go. You hit this button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I hit it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will allow you to set the wattage. So you're gonna toggle through with these bottom buttons until I like 50 watts, but anywhere near that number is okay. So let's just put around 49.5. I'm gonna press this main button again. And to get into the M1 mode, or into any mode on this battery, you hit this main button 3 times real fast. 1, 2, 3. And that'll allow you to cycle through modes. You got wattage mode, bypass, temperature nickel, temperature titanium, temperature stainless steel, and M1, M2, M3. So we're gonna go stop at M1, press the main button, and then you wanna set the temperature on the bottom. I like it around 500 degrees. So that's about it, and I hope this video helps you get your Quest going. Thanks.